In Verilog, the replication operator, double curly braces, allows you to repeat a bit pattern a specific number of times. This operator is useful when you need to replicate bits in concatenation. The syntax requires two parts: the number of times to repeat and the sized expression to be repeated. For example, if you want to create an 8-bit vector from a single bit, you can replicate the bit 8 times using the replication operator. However, the replication count must always be a constant value. You cannot use unknown values such as Z, high impedance, or X, unknown state, for the replication count. It has to be a defined, non-negative constant. Now, let's break down some examples. Suppose we want to replicate a 1-bit register 8 times and assign the result to an 8-bit bus. The replication operator will take the single-bit value and repeat it 8 times to fill all 8 bits of the bus. Another common use case is to replicate two different expressions. You can combine multiple replications to create more complex bit patterns. For instance, you might replicate a single bit 4 times, then concatenate that with a different 2-bit pattern replicated twice. This way, you can create a well-structured 8-bit output, depending on your design needs. By mastering the replication operator, you can efficiently manage and manipulate bit patterns in Verilog.